In this video, I'm going to tell you how to delete an existing project on Vercel. So you can see this is my Vercel account. I'm logged in and you can see I have created so many projects here. So I will delete one project for you. So let me delete this project, my latest one, better resume. Just tap and press this project and this project will open up, and then we will get an option to delete it. So once the project is open, you can see I'm on the dashboard of my project. At the left hand side, you need to scroll down. At the bottom, you can see at the last option is showing settings. So just tap on settings. You can see the project name is also showing here. My project name is better resume. So it is under better resume setting. You can see the URL. So this is my project setting, not my Vercel setting, Vercel dashboard setting. So this is, you can see, you can judge it from the URL, and here you need to scroll down at the bottom. There is an option of delete project is showing in red. Just tap on this delete project, and you need to confirm this. You need to type this better resume, whatever it will ask you. You need to type it exactly the same. Make sure to write the correct spelling. For me, it is showing like better resume 52, my project name only. Here you type delete my project. Now click on this delete project. So now that project is now deleted from my project section in my Vercel. So I hope friends, now you will be able to delete a specific project in your Vercel dashboard. So in case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button. Also subscribe my channel for my coming videos.